Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 7 Red Post Crescent in Fairport. This is a stunning 4-bedroom colonial on a quiet neighborhood street. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. Enjoy the stunning white and bright eat-in kitchen with granite countertops with a breakfast bar. Open to the formal dining room with wainscoting. A spacious living room with great natural light. And a family room with a brickwood burning fireplace, all with an adjacent powder room. The exceptional finished lower level provides great additional living space or a media room, plus additional storage. While the upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and a full bathroom, including a spacious owner's bedroom with a walk-in closet. Sit and relax in this private backyard with a patio. All with easy access to the Erie Canal trails and the village of Fairport.
Here we are in the village of Fairport, a great place to live.
It has great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7 Red Post Crescent in Fairport, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!